All right, boys and girls, today we're starting lesson 3.1 on page 139, and it's called Count Equal Groups. It's the beginning of our look into multiplication. So let's get started. Unlock the problem right here. Equal groups have the same number of objects in each group. Tim has 6 toy cars. Each car has 4 wheels. How many wheels are there in all? Let's slide over here. How many wheels are on each car? Well, we should know there are 4 wheels on a car, right? How many equal groups of wheels are there? We look back over here. He has 6 toy cars. That means there are 6 equal groups. 4 wheels in each group, or 4 wheels on each car. How can you find how many wheels in all? We can count equal groups. I have to write mine kind of sideways here. I ran out of room. Count equal groups. That'll be our strategy there. Okay? All right. The activity does say to use counters. We're not going to use those counters. We'll just draw circles like they've done for us. So it says put 4 counters in each group. 4 counters in each group because there are 4 tires on each car. So car number 1, they did the first 4 for us, 4 tires on each car. Car number 2, 4 tires on each car. So that we had 4. 4 more makes 8. Car number 3 has 4 tires, so we make 4 circles. Okay. We had 8 plus these 4 gives us 12 tires so far. All right, car number 4, well, yeah, it has 4 tires also. 1, 2, 3, 4. We had 12 plus 4 more here. Okay, 12 plus 4 tires is 16 tires on 4 cars. Car number 5 also has 4 tires. We had 16. Add 4 more tires. Now at 20. And car number 6 also has 4 tires, so we were at 20. Car number 6 has 4 tires. 20 plus 4, 24. There are blank groups with blank wheels in each group. How many groups are there? Well, that tells us right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. So there are 6 groups with how many wheels in each group? 4 wheels in each group. So there are blank wheels in all. We already counted them up. 24 wheels in all. Okay. This is the beginning of multiplication, repeated addition, counting the number in each group, right? We had 6 groups of 4, and we can write that this way even. 6 groups of 4 equals 24. Okay, let's look at our next page. Count equal groups to find the total. Sam, Kyla, and Tia each have 5 pennies. How many pennies do they have in all? How many pennies does each person have? Each person has 5. How many equal groups of pennies are there? That's going to be asking how many people are there now, right? So each person has 5, and we have Sam, Kyla, and Tia. So we have 3 people, meaning there are 3 equal groups. Okay? Think, there are blank groups of pennies. There are 3 groups of pennies because we have 3 people. So there are how many 5s? Okay, so let's fill this out first. Each person has 5 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's one person. Another person has 5 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the third person also has 5 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pennies equals 5 cents, right? Okay, so down here we can write 5. 5 and 5. How many 5s are there? There are 3 5s, right? 1, 2, 3 of them. 3 5s. Now we can skip count to find how many pennies there are in all. 5, and 5 more is 10, and 5 more is 15. So they have 15 pennies. Okay, and we don't have to worry about the think smarter. We did skip count by 5s because we had groups of 5, so we could count by those. All right, share and show. I'm going to do the first one with you, for you. You can always pause the video here and then start it up again after you've done all of number 1 here on share and show. Okay? If you're not quite sure what's going on yet, you can walk through it with me, or work through it with me rather. Okay? First part, groups of 2. How many groups of 2 are there? Well, there's a group of 2 here, that's 1. Another group, that's 2. Another group is 3. Another group is 4. So we have 4 groups of 2. We have 4 2s. Okay, another way of saying it. We skip count by 2s, right? So we have 2, 4, 6, and 8. I'll write that down here as well. 2, 4, 6, 8. So there are 8 wheels, and that's it. All right. Go ahead and work through the next page with share and show. And like I said, this is the beginning of our multiplication unit, and skip counting or repeated addition is kind of the first step we'll learn. As always, this is Mr. P, and I am out. Good luck, boys and girls.